clear radar, and yet I looked out the window and I'm like, that must be a mistake, and lo and behold, there it is. There is a tornado going over here. Kara and the kids are at the zoo. It is the afternoon of, can't even see it right on the camera here, the battery's out. There it is. It is the afternoon of Friday, July 29th, 2011. So I have the door angled open here. This is pretty wild stuff. It's just sitting there. It doesn't look like it's touching the ground. Of all the days that I looked outside and did not expect to see anything, this was the one. And funnily enough, I'm not even the slightest bit nervous. Hoping it doesn't get any bigger than that. As you can see over here, we got blue skies going. The sun is right there. Very odd. The weather said clear tonight, so it shows you can get all kinds of action on a particular day. So there it is. Doesn't exactly have me racing for the basement, but you never know what can happen. It's not even like rotating up there. If you look at the sky, now it's getting a little more kick up there. I just hope it keeps moving east. It's just sitting there. You can see that getting going. Wild stuff. I didn't check the radar to see which way the clouds were moving. That might have been beneficial. It's a bigger picture. I was just going to go on about my business. I always imagined looking out here and seeing one like right over there, so it was slightly to the left, apparently. Okay, now it looks like in the middle there. Do I even have to, it's hard to see with the being so bright out. Now it's breaking up. It is, looks like it's breaking up. It's certainly not a cold air funnel because it's in the 80s out today. It is 5:18 p.m. right now. I just got, well, I've been home from work for about an hour. They're at the zoo. They're gonna be ticked. They missed the excitement. Yeah, it seems to be dying out. Not that I'm really complaining. Gee, now I'm gonna have to upload this to YouTube. Well, looks like the excitement is over. Probably enough excitement. Well, now I can say, God, I lived my whole life saying I've never gotten to see a tornado. So if that's the one I had to see that's outside my own window, that's probably a good one. As you can hear, they're turning off the sirens. We got some other clouds over here. But, I don't know. The radar was clear. Wild stuff. So, you heard it here first. Wearing my Chicago, Manchester shirt, reporting from DeKalb, Illinois, signing off intact.